Hello, my friend. Welcome to another video. Today, we're upgrading the RAM and SSD on the ASUS FX607VJ, part number RL078. First, remove all screws from the bottom panel and gently lift it using a plastic pry tool. Here is the RAM slot. Remove the old module and install the new one by pressing it until it clicks. This model supports an M.2 NVMe SSD. Insert the drive, secure it with the screw, and you're done. After upgrading both RAM and SSD, the ASUS FX607VJ becomes much faster and more responsive. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next upgrade guide.